Welcome back, graduates. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to set up and configure the delivery option on the slide out cart and on the cart page of Ecomify Theme. So this is going to be on Ecomify Theme 3.4 and moving forward. So what this looks like is when you're on the store right over here, you go into the slide out cart and scrolling all the way down, you'll see a select delivery date option. So right here, I have a calendar where I can just go in and select the date, and then it's going to show on the customer order form when they purchase. So it's not going to show on checkout, but it is going to show on the order state, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So just a run through what this looks like is I'm going to go in and I'm going to schedule for May 1st. And I'm going to go in, accept my terms, and I'm going to go and click checkout. Once I go through here, I'm going to just show you what that looks like here. What is my discount testing, free testing? I'm going to do free testing just so you can kind of see what that looks like. And I'm going to go in and populate all that information. I'm going to do gmail.com. So I have that, and I'm going to go and complete my order soon. I'm going to do key. And so what this looks like is I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the order state. And I'm going to complete my purchase. And thank you so much. So now I go into my orders right over here, and I should see a new one here, PPP. I'm going to go and click in it, and you'll see now that on the order state right here, it says for delivery of May 1st. So this is a feature option. So you don't need to have this, but if you do have a food niche or other things like that you do need to grab customer information that they can specify what date to deliver by, you can definitely have that here. So it's going to show right here for them in the notes section. So to go in and configure this, there are a few features and settings that you want to take note of when you go into it. So what you're going to want to do first is go into the click customize right over here, and then go into the theme settings, and then go and click on cart. Once you're down in cart, you're going to scroll almost all the way to the bottom, and you'll see delivery calendar. So here we do have the option just to toggle this off and on, and this will be toggle for off and on the slide out cart. Then you do have the option for the active days. The active days means the options for your customers to choose from, and they are set through like the three digits, like Monday to Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And so if you want Saturday, for example, it would be SAT, separated by commas. The other last option for this feature is minimum date. Add these days to today's date. So this means that you're allowing 2 days after, for example, April 25th, 2 days after that for your customer to choose the date. So instead, the starting date for your customer to choose would be on the 27th. And I'm saying for right now only business work days instead of Saturdays and Sundays. So that's why you would see the options here, and Saturday and Sunday are grayed out as well. Saturday and Sunday grayed out, and here are the days, and it is starting 2 days after. So it's the 25th, and I'm stating that it's going to be 2 days after today's date. So that would be here, and then the business days we're not counting. So then Monday would be the first actual almost option for your customers to choose. So that is how to set that up in the cart. And also going to the cart page, we're going to go to pages, cart, pages. So now I'm on the cart page itself. Scrolling down here, you do have the option as well, and to configure that or to toggle that on and off, you're going to go into the cart, and then right over here, show delivery calendar, and then this will carry over the same settings as you have in the cart settings. So this just toggles on and off if you do want that option also on the cart page. And that is how to set up and configure the delivery date on Ecomify Theme.